A top story today is from Pakistan. After several postponements, a Pakistani court convicted jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi. Both were held guilty in the $231 million Al Qadir Trust case. The court sentenced Khan to 14 years in jail, while his wife Bushra Bibi was given a 7-year-long prison term. In addition, Imran Khan will be fined 1 million Pakistani rupees and his wife will be fined $500,000 Pakistani rupees. Reports say that Bushra Bibi was arrested inside the courtroom at the Adiala jail after the conviction. The case relates to the accusations that both Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi facilitated illicit transfer of funds. Now, these funds were reportedly intended for the state of Pakistan, but deposited into an account designated for land payments identified by the United Kingdom during the previous PTI government. Imran Khan has been convicted of misusing his power to approve the settlement and allegedly gaining personally from the deal. Imran Khan has hit out at the verdict, saying that it has tarnished the reputation of the judiciary. He rejected the charge that he had benefited and caused huge losses to the government. Imran also charged the government with pushing the verdict, saying that he does not want any relief and is ready to face all cases. In a post on his social media profile, the former Prime Minister and PTI party founder accused Nawaz Sharif of PMLN and Asif Ali Zardari of the PPP of corruption and bribery. Khan went on to question why the cases against both these leaders were shut down and demanded that they be held accountable. Now, under the Pakistani law, the conviction effectively bars Imran Khan from contesting elections for 5 years. He is expected to move the High Court in this case. And for more details, our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik is now joining us live from Islamabad on the broadcast. Anas, the former Prime Minister and his wife both sentenced to prison terms. What more can you tell us? What will be the next course of action? What does the future look like? And was such a sentencing at all expected?
Last question first. The conviction for Imran Khan was writing on the wall. Isha, it won't be wrong to say, having covered the trial from in and out, it won't be wrong to say that Imran Khan's legal team did not have a defense on their part. So yes, the verdict was very much in line with what was being talked about, given the course of proceedings, how they went on. That is number one. Number two, what next? Next is that the PTI lawyers and Imran Khan lawyers will be appealing before a high court, as the right of appeal they have in the next 30 days, as the law permits them to do so, and they'll try to seek an annulment through the High Court of this very judgment itself. Now, Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi both have been convicted separately in the same case for corrupt practices. In the Al Qadir Trust case, Imran Khan has been convicted for 14 years, Bushra Bibi for 7 years, and Imran Khan has been fined Pakistani rupees 1 million, whereas Bushra Bibi has been fined $500,000 Pakistani rupees. In case of non-failure, non-compliance to payment of the fine, Bushra Bibi will have to serve an additional 3 months imprisonment, whereas Imran Khan will have to serve an additional 6 months imprisonment. Now, at the court itself today, there were quite interesting scenes. Bushra Bibi sat right next to Imran Khan. They spoke at length. When Imran Khan walked in, he first came towards the media and said, "Today is a test of our judiciary and our judicial system." After that is all what he said, then the verdict was announced. When the verdict was being announced, Imran Khan was a bit teary-eyed. In that moment, Bushra Bibi whispered something in Imran Khan's ears, and then she had a coat in her hand, took out a chocolate bar and tried to give it to Imran Khan, but he did not take that. Imran Khan's sisters were seated right behind him. They tried talking to Khan as well, but he did not respond to that. After the conviction, Khan briefly spoke to the press and said that his wife is not involved in any of the things. In fact, this is not even a case that merits any convictions, but this is what the judicial system is, and that he will not be seeking any relief as such, and his legal team would take the legal course of action as it has been enshrined in the law and constitution going forward. Isha?
Khan has also accused leaders Nawaz Sharif and Asif Ali Zardari while he was talking about the verdict. Are there any reactions to that?
We haven't heard any reaction from the government, except for the government spokesperson's chest thumping about the fact that how this was an open and shut case, and as I said, having followed the trial, the course of the proceedings, it won't be wrong to say that Imran Khan's defense team did not present a suitable defense, and the conviction in this particular case was writing on the wall, in line with what the government was expecting, and in line with what anyone who would have followed the trial would have expected as well. So we're yet to see a formal reaction coming in on the part of Nawaz Sharif or Asif Ali Zardari, President Asif Ali Zardari, but the government spokesperson have indeed breathed a sigh of relief and are rather jubilant for the fact that what they say that Imran Khan has been convicted for quote-unquote his corrupt practices, which is a crime. Isha?
Thank you, Anas, for joining us with those updates.